Hello, welcome to me rating my followers' cats. I just realized on my last vid I said people and not followers. My bad, haha. This is part 3. Thank you for sending me your adorable cats. 110th. Look at that dress. Look at that adorable face. Look at that collar. All of it is perfection. 10/10. This cat is trying to smooch me. Very sweet, very cute. Boop. Cat's name is Maiko, very adorable. I love it, its whisker, mouth, nose. 110th. Look at that adorable face. This is everything, the sad and happy face. The collar, my cat has the same collar. Dude looks so sweet and friendly, oh my god. 10/10. This cat has seen everything. Just look into the eyes and it told you everything. Very adorable, pretty, eye color and fur color. Man is posing near a mum's weapon to beat a child, bahaha.